I don't know if I can relax. My brain just doesn't understand how it is. If my head is empty, terrible thoughts appear in it. I'm getting weird. Not even strange, but restless. I am a dishonest person. And in this regard, you can always count on me. But whether it is possible to count on a person who swears that he is honest is another question. My definition of freedom is simplicity and anonymity. Someday I will get them again. When I will be old and everything will finally settle down. The one who saw the birth of his child, as I saw, will never doubt the power of a woman. They are stronger than us. For them, there is no nonsense, only the main thing. Life, children, freedom. They do not see the point in eternal life. They continue in children, and that is enough. They are not conquerors. The world belongs to them anyway, because they are capable of creating a new life. The most important thing in life is family. If you don't have a family, you don't have anything. There is no way out except from the grave, so don't whine. What to do? Enjoy the ride while you're still riding. If you love two people at the same time, choose the second one. If you loved the first, you won't fall in love with the second. My body is my diary, and my tattoos are my story. Breathe, it's just a bad day, not a bad life. Do what you really want to do. Don't play their games. When they want you to rush to the right, blow to the left at the highest speed. Do not do what others want. Find your own way. The world, you know, is ruled by women. Compared to them, we men are just weaklings. Fatherhood gave me great strength, great prospects, calmness, and confidence, and left me sleepless. I will eat anyone who harms my family, friends, or anyone else I love. I may be in prison for the next 500 years, but I will eat them. It is impossible to find oneself, one can only create oneself. After going through all the bad things that happened to me, I learned what it means to be good. Don't be afraid of your enemies, be afraid of your friends. Friends betray, not enemies. People cry not because they are weak, but because they have been strong for too long.